So I'm just going to share my screen, okay?
Yes, sir.
And then
Okay, sir.
after I will first explain you my syllabus, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Since this is instrumentation design engineering training, okay? This is
Okay,
your
sir.
instrumentation design engineering training. So in this training, what we are going to cover, like first we will discuss about the instrumentation design and their introduction, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Means
sir.
what is instrumentation design and detail engineering basically? What is the EPC company and how the people are working in EPC company? How an EPC company get the orders? What we do in the field engineering and what are the listing all instrumentation deliverable which we prepare in the instrumentation design. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then after we will discuss about the work culture and how to work in any EPC company, in which we
Yes.
will talk about the roles and responsibilities of other disciplines, means what are the deliverables and what are the information we will receive from other discipline and what are the information we need to share to other disciplines. So those interdisciplinary coordinations like things we will discuss here. Various inputs received from the different engineering departments, instrument design documents flow, that how the documents will flow in the engineering, what are the codes and standard we followed in the instrumentation design, and discussion of instrumentation design basis. These are the things which we will
Okay,
cover in these select sections. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now the next section in which we discuss about the hazardous area classification. In the hazardous area classification, what is hazardous area? What are the different zones as per IEC and NEC standards of hazardous area? What is the enclosure protection class? How we will select the enclosure protection class? What is EXD, EXE, EXI, intrinsic safety? Those understanding we will discuss. Okay.
Okay,
Ingress
sir.
of ingress protection rating, that is IP rating, we will discuss temperature class, seal rating, those things we will cover under the hazardous area classification. Next one is our piping and instrumentation diagram, in which we discuss about the complete reading of the piping and instrumentation diagram, line class, closed open loops, logic and interlocks, electrical DCS signals, ESD DCS FGS signals, means complete reading of the P&ID we will discuss here.
Okay,
And
sir.
what are the information we will get and what are the knowledge we will get from the P&ID for our instrumentation design purpose, those things we will discuss under the P&ID section. Means in this section you will be able to read the P&ID, that how the P&ID will be read. Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
from here the deliverable will be started. Like what are the deliverables we are going to prepare? Those deliverables will be started from here. Like the first deliverable which we will prepare, that is our instrument index and IO list. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so once we complete this one, then we will move to the process instruments. So in the process instruments, we are having pressure, temperature, level, flow, pressure safety valve, control valves. Okay, all those instruments we will discuss their specification sheet, their data sheet, their calculations. Like any calculation is there, so those calculations we will discuss. Their material selections, their range selections, their type selections. Those all those things we will discuss under this process instruments measurements. Okay, study of the
Okay,
process
sir.
instruments. Next one is our study of instruments and wire cable, instruments, wire and cable, in which we will discuss about the fundamental construction of the cables, the specification of wire and cable, interconnecting drawings, okay, JB groupings, cable drum schedules, cable and drum schedules. Those things we will discuss to prepare under this wire and cable section. Next module is related to the detailed design engineering, in which we will discuss about the overall plot plan, cutting of the sectional drawing of the plot plan, instrument location plan, JB location, field instrument wiring, all these details which we prepare in the instrument detailed design engineering, all those drawings we will discuss, their concepts we will discuss, that how these drawings will be prepared. Okay. Next one is your hookup drawings, means how to prepare the installation drawing for different field instruments. Those we will cover under this hookup drawing sections. Okay. And the
Okay,
next
sir.
one is procurement support, in which we will discuss about the procurement support, like preparation of the MR, TB, VDR, and MTO preparation. So all these are the things which we cover in this training program. And not only limited to this thing, during the discussion, whatever the point will come in front of you, whatever the questions will come in front of you, we will tackle all those questions, we will tackle all your concepts, we will clarify your all doubts. Okay, and we will develop a good sense of knowledge related to the instrumentation design, and those knowledge are going to give you a strong background from the instrumentation design. Those knowledge will give you a big impact on your brain for the understanding of the instrumentation design. And once you will understand the instrumentation design in true manner, so you will be not less than the experienced person. You will be not less than those experienced person who is working in the industry, because
Ye-
you are learning here from the very basic, you are learning here from the scratch, and you are learning here up to the expertise level. Means we will take you up to those level from where you can directly prepare those deliverables. Means our main task is to prepare these deliverables, our main task is to review these deliverables. So once the knowledge will be there, you can prepare, you can review all those deliverables. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now I will come to the slides. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
whatever the documents we will show you, whatever the documents we will discuss here in this training, those documents will be shared on the daily basis after the class to you through the
Okay.
WhatsApp for your
Okay,
reference
sir.
purpose. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the agenda of today's discussion is introduction of introduction to instrumentation design and detail engineering, introduction about EPC company, tender procurement process, feed engineering, and listing of instrumentation deliverables. This first two class will be truly the foundation of the instrumentation. Like we will discuss about the foundation of the instrumentation. Then after we will move towards the technical things. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
as we have completed our introduction, okay, so
Yes, sir.
now I will just discuss about the definition of instrumentation engineer. Means who is instrumentation design engineers? So instrumentation design engineer are responsible for control and measure. Okay, instrumentation design engineers are responsible for control and measure what to be controlled and what to be measured. So process variable, what are those process variable? Pressure, temperature, flow, level. So these are the process variable which we are going to either measure or either going to
Control.
control. Okay,
Okay.
so for the measurement purpose what we will use, we will use some measuring instruments. Okay, like pressure measuring instrument, temperature measuring instruments, flow measurement instruments, level measurement instruments. But for the control purpose, what we use some control interlocks with the control valves. Okay,
Yes. Yes,
so
yes.
for the control, we use some logics, we use some interlocks to
Yes,
control our
yes.
process variables in the field. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
our main responsibility is what? To measure and control the process variables. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Now some definitions we will discuss here, that what are those definitions. Okay. So once I talk about the definition, so who is owner? Okay. First I will let you clear in your mind that who is owner. So owner is the company or organization who execute the project for themselves. They are not executing project for some other companies. Okay. So those companies are owner companies, like in India, Reliance, okay, Adani,
Yes,
such
yes.
kind of the companies are owner company, means they are preparing the project for themselves. Okay, not for some other companies. So those
Okay, okay,
companies are
sir.
known as owner company. Now let us say Reliance. So Reliance have various segment of the business. So Reliance people are not compatible to execute all the project by themselves. So what they do, they take some support from the project management consultant. Those are called PMC company. Let us take an example, like you have a plot, okay, and you have
Yes,
a
sir.
big amount of money, but you need to construct your house. So are you able to construct your house by yourself? No. Although you are engineer, but you are instrumentation engineer, you are not a civil engineer. Okay, so you don't have idea that what size of the pillar is required, what size of the reinforcement is required, and at which place pillar is required, how the pillar will be connected from each other. Those idea you don't have. So what you do in such case, you go with some civil engineer, okay, and you
Yes, sir.
ask him to give some design or to ask him to support you in the construction of the house. Means technical support you want from the civil engineer, or sometimes some local contractor, experienced contractor also suggest you. Means you are taking some consultancy. So in the similar way, this owner company will take some consultancy from the project management consultant companies, and those project management consultant companies are the expert company who has done the design. I think for the Dosan in which you are working, TC TC has done the consultancy, PMC.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
नो नो सर इन यस टीसी सर मैं समझा नहीं इसमें
TC Tata Consulting Engineers.
बट सर दिशा दुसान आई थिंक टेक्स हिज ओवन डिजाइन सर
Okay, Dosan takes his own design, right?
yes 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 sir it is South Korea based company uh,
Yes, yes. I know
yes
Dosan. Dosan is widely spreading their business in water solutions. Most of the
yes
business
yes
are there
right
in
right right right
water
right right right
solutions.
yeah right sir
Mhm. Mhm. And Dosan are some using some small level business. Means the small contract business also. Means Dosan has some executed some power plant project in I think Amravati and Nasik also, right?
yes yes sir right
India Bulls Amravati Nasik.
but no 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 but Dusan is basically this EPC contract they will construct all EPC projects maybe in India around 7 or 8 projects they will construct sir
Okay, I think I have one interaction with the Dosan people in I think GMR project was there.
right
So
right right Raipur sir Raipur
Raipur,
two
yes,
six yes yes six
yeah,
six 60 megawatt 2 units are
yes,
there
yes. GMR project in which I was the in charge of fuel oil handling system,
okay 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 sir
OHS. So over
okay
there, Dosan was there.
yes yes I have also completed 2 projects in Vietnam sir for same
Okay,
Dusan
okay.
okay okay
So I have interaction with the Dosan people in this Raipur plant. Yeah.
yes yes sir
GMR. So the project management consultant are those company who has already the good experience in those technology for which client is going to execute the project. So client will take the help to prepare the basic design engineering.
yes
Okay.
sir yes sir
Now, after that, client will hand over the project to some EPC company, EPC contractor who will execute the project for them. And then this vendor, supplier, and construction contractor are those company or organization who supports this EPC company to construct the project. So EPC stands for engineering, procurement, and constructions. So in the engineering phase, in the procurement phase, and in the construction phase, we need a various kind of the supports from the vendor, supplier, or construction contractors. Okay, EPC you
okay
well
sir
know. EPC means what? Engineering,
yes
procurement, and
yes sir yes
construction.
yes
I need
yes
not
sir
to explain that one. Now, how this EPC company will get any job? Means suppose you are Dosan. Okay, so how Dosan will get any job from any owner? Okay, so first
yes
of all, owner who want to set up the project will select the location of the project. Like the location of the project should be selected in such a way that that should be suitable for the nature of that project. Okay.
okay sir
After that, this owner will acquire some land with the association of the local government and they will do the feasibility check of the project. Like either that project is feasible at that particular location or not. Suppose they have selected some place and they have acquired some land with the government and after doing the feasibility check, they found that their project is not possible. Okay, like the
okay sir
excavation, once they do the excavation, there is a water level after 2 or 3 meters. There is some rock inside the ground. Okay, there might be a very high speed of the wind, like the some cyclone are there coming frequently. Okay, some seismic zone are there. So these are the hurdles due to which the project cannot be run smoothly. So owner has to do the feasibility check before they plan to establish their project. Okay, so those
okay sir
feasibility check will be done with the help of various consultants. Okay, and after doing the feasibility check, they will hire some PMC consultant who will prepare the bid documents. Now the PMC consultant will do the basic design engineering. What they will do? Basic
basic
design.
design
Okay, this is also called BED, Basic Engineering Design. Okay, so BED will be prepared by PMC.
okay
Okay, who is licensor party. So what they will do in this BED? They will prepare all the basic technical information required for the project, specifications, basic design calculation, P&ID, process description, plot plan. So such kind of the basic documentation they will do. Who? PMC. So that
PMC
owner can share this specification with the EPC company and they may ask that I want this scope of the work. Okay.
okay sir
So after preparation of these documents by the PMC, now owner will float the project in the market to tender for tendering. So the PMC has already done basic engineering. On the basis of that, owner has published the tender in the market to participate EPC company in that tender. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
EPC company, whosoever the EPC company want to take that tender, all those company will take those documents, they will read those documents, they will understand those documents, that either they are able to participate in that tender or not, either they are capable to execute that job or not. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
after reading the all the client specification, all the requirement by the client, okay. So
Okay.
after that, they will decide that okay, they will participate in the tender. Okay. So now this EPC company has to do the feed engineering. Okay. So this engineering is called front end engineering design. Okay. So in this feed engineering, complete feed will be done by this EPC. Means what is this feed basically? Front end engineering design. In this feed, our purpose is to calculate the complete material required for the completion of the project. Okay, so
Okay.
that
Okay.
our tendering people can calculate the cost of the project. Okay,
Okay.
so the feed engineering we will do. EPC company will study the complete bid documents, scope of supply received from the owner. After that, every department objective for this feed engineering is to calculate the bill of quantity. Okay. Every
Okay.
department has to calculate the bill of quantity required to complete that project. Civil, electrical, mechanical, piping, everyone will raise their bill of quantity that they require this much bill material to complete this project. Now, how this bill of quantity will be calculated, that is itself engineering. Okay. So once you will do the engineering, means engineering design, you will understand that how the calculation is done. Means
Okay.
let us say instrument, you can calculate from the P&ID that how much instruments is required. Okay.
Yes.
Now on the basis of instrument type, you will be able to understand that how much IOs is required to
Okay.
accommodate those IOs, how much junction box is required. Okay. So on the basis of
Okay.
junction box segregation, how much junction box is required, and tentatively you have to also calculate the length of the main cable required from the junction box to main control room. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
On the basis of number of IOs, you will be found out that okay, how much, what is the size of the control system. Okay, so all those things are associated with each other, but this calculation is tentative. This is not final calculation. This is just
Okay.
to calculate the price. Okay, so this
Okay, sir.
calculation have some margin we take so that there should be no error. Okay. So
Okay.
the BOQ will be prepared by every company. Suppose you are the instrument engineer, so you need to calculate the BOQ of what? The material which is required to complete the instrument job, like all the instruments, all the wiring cable, junction box, control system, bulk material, tube and tube fittings. Okay, so such kind of the material requirement you need to calculate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After all other department calculate complete BOQ. Similarly, all other department will also calculate the bill of quantity. Okay. And
Okay.
based on the bill of quantity, that bill of quantity list will go to the procurement team to take the technical budgetary offer from the suppliers. Okay. So they will send those budgetary offer to the suppliers, various suppliers, and they will give you the tentative price of that material. We need to review that material during the budgetary technical offer evaluation so that at the later stage when you are going to finalize your order, vendor should not play with you. Like I have not given the price of this and I have not given the price of that. So this budgetary offer should be relevant to us, means relevant to our requirements. So once vendor will give you the rate of all the market, so procurement team will take the rate from the markets from the various supplier, and after that, that sheet will hand it over to the tendering team. Now tendering team will calculate the total cost of the project. Okay, like they will
Okay.
calculate the engineering, sorry, the material cost, all the material cost they will calculate. After that, they will include the profit margin. They will include the discount which they want to offer to the client. They will include the engineering cost. They will include the construction cost. Okay. They will include also the price escalation like during the bidding stage. Now the project has bidding stage. So when the project will finally come for the procurement, so once the project bidding is completed, so project will be awarded. Once the engineering will be done, then after the procurement will be done. Okay. So
Okay,
procurement will
sir.
come after from today. Procurement may be done after 4 years. Okay. So the
Okay.
price that will be high, price that will be increased for any material, those data they have, means they have a tentative idea that suppose copper is today at 400 rupees per kg. Okay, so after 4 years it might be 470 rupees per kg. Okay, so those
Okay.
tentative calculation they have. So on the basis of that, they will add some price escalation to calculate the actual procurement and execution schedules. Okay. So on the basis of that, this procurement people, tendering people will come to the final price of the project. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now they will submit this bid documents to whom? Owner. Owner will check that bid documents. Owner will open that bid and they will announce three EPC company. Those are L1, L2, and L3. L1 means lowest one, L2 means lowest two,
Those
and
two.
L3 means lowest three. Means suppose one company has quoted 6,000, one company has quoted 6.4 thousand, one company has quoted 6.8 thousand crores. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
which one is lowest one? 6,000 crore is the
6,000.
lowest one. So owner will obviously prefer this CPC company.
Yes, yes.
So now the L1 party will call for the LOI, letter of intent. They will provide the letter of intent that, okay, we are going with you since you are the L1. Okay. After the
Okay.
various technical and commercial discussion, they will release the letter of award to that EPC company. Now final contract document will be signed. Okay. Kickoff meeting will
Okay.
be planned and the project will be started. So this is the whole procedure to get tender by any EPC company from owner.
EPC owner.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
These are some deliverables which we prepare. Those I have discussed in this discussion. So these are
Mm.
the same list which we prepare here also. So these are our deliverables. Like we prepare the design basis instrument index IO list. We prepare a specification and data sheet of all the field instruments. We prepare MR, TB, and VDR for all the materials. Okay.
Okay.
Then after
Okay.
we prepare some drawings like level sketches, hookup drawings, wire and cable, plot plan, layouts, wiring, cable drawing, air piping, tubing, gas detection systems. So these are the scope which we do in the instrumentation designs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this slide I'm just going to share you, and also keep in mind that this is the thing which the PMC has developed. This is our we can say project specification. This will be now at the later stage once the contract will be signed. Once the contract will be signed, so these are the documents which will be signed during the contract finalizations.
Okay. Okay.
Like we have read these documents and we have quoted on the basis of these documents. Any deviation from these documents shall be price implication. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So by this the contract will be signed. So this is your project specification. This is your client specification. Okay. This is your ITB, information to bidder. Okay. So various
Okay,
name
sir.
are there for these documents. Means once we are going to prepare any design, once we are going to select any design, we will always refer the client specification. So once we will do the design engineering, we will discuss like this thing we have taken from the project specification or client specification, or our client has recommended this, so we are selecting this. So such kind of the things we will take reference from these documents. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is all about our instrumentation design introduction. Okay.
Okay,
In
sir.
tomorrow class, we will discuss about work culture.
Okay.
Okay. And how
Okay,
to
sir.
start in the EPC company, how to start work in the EPC company. So those
Okay.
things we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will meet tomorrow on the same time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So any doubt you have?
Mm, no, sir. Now, first introduction. So,
Hmm.
basic. I know more things for about that because
Yes, yes. From the
I
since you are from the EPC background, so you know most of the
yes, yes,
things.
yes, 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 sir.
Hmm.
Uh, uh,
Okay.
okay. Let's we meet tomorrow, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.